Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the DnD character tracker. So all links will be in the description, and the first thing that we need is Node.js. This will be used to run the front end and back end of the application. So in here, as you can see, we're already in the Node.js download site. I recommend for Mac users to just download directly the package. You have two options, x64 and ARM64. ARM64 is if you have a silicon chip, or well, a Mac chip, and the x64 is if you have Intel. If you don't know how to do that, you can go into your Mac, Apple icon on the top left corner of your screen, and you choose about this Mac. This will give you this information. So for example, I have Apple M4. That means that I need to use the ARM64. Now, once we download this, we download the package, we wait for it to be downloaded, and we click it to install. I already have it installed, so I'm gonna skip this step. And next, what we need is Docker Desktop. This will be used to run the database. So in here we're on the Docker Desktop for Mac. Same thing that as with Node. If you have Mac with Apple Silicon, you use this download link. If you have an Intel chip, you use this download chip. So once we download this, it will take a few seconds to download. And once it's done, we just install it. Once again, I already have it installed, so I'm gonna skip the step, but it's a fairly straightforward process. Well, as you can see, it's just a drag and drop. And finally, what we need is Git. This will be used to clone the repository. This is not needed, but I recommend it if you already have Homebrew installed. So how do we know if we have Homebrew? We open a terminal and we run brew -b. This will tell us if we have it. If you have an issue running this command, then you won't have it at all. For this step, we run brew install git. As you can see, I already have it installed, so everything is nice and running on my end. To know if everything ran correctly for Node.js, we run node -b npm -b, and this tells us that everything is fine. For Docker Desktop, we run docker compose -b. Same, we have it installed. Finally, what we need is the code itself, or the application itself. So we have this part in here in the code section. You have two options. You can download it. If you did not install Git, you can download the whole process, the whole project, extract it, and that's pretty much it. If you have Git, you only copy this here, go into your terminal, git clone, and we run this command. I mean, what we copied. Now we can see that we have it installed. As you can see, we have the DnD5D character tracker. We change to that directory, and everything that you need now is to run make all. This will install all dependencies, create a database, populate the database with the base stuff that you need for the project. Once you run, you will see everything run successfully. This is very important. And finally, we run make dev. This will create the Node.js server. So as you can see, we have in here localhost, the localhost address. So if we go into our browser and we run this, you can now see that you are running the application without any issue. All right. Thank you so much, everyone.